So here we have a function given by x over y. We need to find out the value of the partial derivative of f with respect to x and partial of f with respect to y. Let us begin. So we start with a given function. So here we are given the function f, which is a function of two variables, x and y. It's given by x over y. We'll take the partial derivative on both sides with respect to x. So we have partial with respect to x of x over y. Now, since we are taking the partial derivative with respect to x, so here only x is the variable. Y is going to be treated as a constant. Now, y being a constant, so what we can do? We can pull out 1 over y, and this is going to be simply multiplied to derivative with respect to x of x. Now, this is a simple ordinary derivative. We can also rewrite it as 1 over y times derivative with respect to x of x. Now we know derivative of x with respect to x, that has a value equals to 1. So partial of f with respect to x comes out to be 1 over y. Now what we'll do? We'll again start with the same function f, but this time we're going to take the partial of f with respect to y on both sides. So a partial with respect to y of x over y. Fine. So here, since we're taking the partial derivative with respect to y, x will be treated as a constant. We can pull it out of the derivative. So we have x multiplied to derivative with respect to y of 1 over y. Fine. So this will be also expressed as x times ordinary derivative with respect to y of 1 over y. Now that's a very straightforward derivative. That's negative 1 over y squared. You can use the power rule to verify this. So we have partial of f with respect to y, so that comes out to be negative x over y squared.